this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I wanted to show you just how easy it is to cook frozen fries in the air fryer. But we're not just using any air fryer, we're trying and testing today our new Cosori and seeing if it lives up to its reputation. Before we dive into this recipe, please note all recipes featured can be found on RecipeThis.com. We specialise in a worldwide readership and recipes are in both metric and imperial. We cook exclusively with kitchen gadgets. You'll find 1,000+ recipes for the air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker, bread maker and many more over at Recipe This. Well, for our Cosori frozen French fries, we're going to use McCain. They are our favourite brand when it comes to potatoes that are frozen for the air fryer. And these are your typical frozen fries. Perfect size. And ideal for serving for dinner with your burgers. We don't want to overcrowd it, so I'm not going to put a full portion in. I'm just going to spread them out a bit and then see how they do. And then in they go like that. Then what I recommend you do is that you add a spray of extra virgin olive oil. This is a bottle that Dominic made for me and it was an old rapeseed bottle of oil and he refilled it for me with extra virgin and it's brilliant for spraying on food in the air fryer. Notice that you're not putting food on the actual air fryer, you're putting it on the food. That's the important thing about air fryer cooking. And then once they've been sprayed, it's time to put the air fryer basket back in the Cosori unit. And then you want to press on. And then for setting the time and temp, you want to be looking at 180 Celsius and you want to be putting that down to 160 Celsius, that's 320 Fahrenheit. And then you want to press the time and temp button again and you want to be getting the time all the way down to 7 minutes. Then we can check on the fries and see if they need a bit longer because, you know, this is our first time using the Cosori air fryer and we want to see how it compares to the Philips air fryer, and they are quite thin cut fries too. And then press start. And we're going. And these are what the fries look like so far. They're cooked now, but I haven't got a crisp on them that I really like on my French fries. So just giving them another spray. And then if you're wondering about shaking your air fryer basket, simply do so like this. Move them about a bit and stops them sticking and really does help with fries. And then back in it goes, turn it on again, and now you're looking for a temperature of 200 Celsius, that's 400 Fahrenheit, and a cook time of just 5 minutes because now it's all about making your fries crispy. And then press start. And we've beat. Now let's check on our fries, shall we? I will figure out how to get into this basket. I noticed this is my biggest complaint so far after giving it a test drive, is that it's so hard to open the basket. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, but I've noticed a lot of the YouTube videos don't actually show it being open, so maybe it's a universal problem. But as you can see, these fries are perfectly cooked. And now it's time to load them into my favourite dish. This is my favourite one, and the kids love theirs with a bit of mayonnaise, and then they can pretend they're in Belgium. And wow, I just love the crisp on them. I can just feel that texture. They're absolutely fantastic. So you can't say the Cosori doesn't do a good job of French fries. I'm just not as keen on it at the moment compared to how I feel about the Philips air fryer or the Power air fryer oven, but you never know, it might grow on me. And these are the Cosori fries. You know, I just want to eat one because I like to feel the crisp on them when you do fries in the air fryer, because you're like, how can something be so crispy and lovely with such little oil when cooked in the air fryer? Got a wonderful crisp on it. No different than the ones when you go out for dinner in a restaurant and they've deep fried you some frozen chips and you think to yourself, oh, there's a lot of oil on those because they're lovely and crispy. Well, this is the air fry version, and they're fantastic for if you want fries but you want to cut down on your oil. You can use any brand. You know, we've used McCain's, they're French fries, so if they're a thicker cut, note to cook them for longer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more great videos, check out 1,000+ free kitchen gadget recipes at recipethis.com, join the weekly newsletter at RecipeThis too, or let's get to know each other. Comment below with where you are from and which kitchen gadget you own.